Hey everyone! Ever wished you could skip the building from scratch part and jump straight to a stunning site? In this video, I'll show you how to import and uninstall pre-designed website templates in JupyterX. From browsing and previewing, to importing with media, and even removing a template for a fresh start. And if you're new here, JupyterX is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor, no Elementor Pro needed, with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready sites, and WooCommerce features that replace many paid plugins. Let's get started. In JupyterX Control Panel, let's click on the Ready-Made Websites tab. As you can see, there are pre-made website templates for many different niches and verticals. We can also search templates for a specific business type. Let's type hospital, for example, and see the results. We can also filter the templates based on categories such as blog, corporate, creative, education, and more. Next, let's open the Style Filter menu. Also filter based on the header type, such as multi-row, regular, transparent, and more. Also menu type as a filter. Template components. And finally, template content type, which can be multi-page or one-page. Let's see what one-page templates JupyterX has to offer. Scrolling down now reveals templates like app, yoga, mobile game, ebook, and more. Let's click the Preview button for the App 4 template, which will open in a new tab. Maybe scroll down a bit to see the content and design. And click on the Import button to install it. This notice says that in order for this template to run, Simplicity mode must be disabled. I'll confirm. When importing a demo, Full Import resets your site and replaces everything, while Content Import just adds the demo pages. You can also include the demo images if you want it to look exactly like the preview. Let's click Import. Confirm. And click OK to confirm the template was imported successfully. OK. Now if we want to remove the installed template, simply click the Remove button and confirm. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to import and remove templates in JupyterX. Hopefully this video helps you get your website up and running quickly, saving you tons of time. If you found this helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more JupyterX tips. Happy designing!